Do you want plump, shiny, hydrated, and glowing skin while controlling excess oil? Well, today's video is just for you. What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could achieve skin so glowing, so spotless, and so radiant that people will be asking for your secret? Imagine waking up to naturally bright, baby-soft skin, no dark spots, no dullness, just pure, glass-like perfection. I'm sharing an easy 3-ingredient face mask that will transform your skin in just 7 days. This mask is packed with hydration, skin brightening, and oil-controlling properties, and the best part, it's made with ingredients you already have at home. So stay tuned, because I'm going to break down why each ingredient works and how you can get the best results with this simple DIY mask. Stay with me till the end, because once you try this, your skin will never be the same. So, welcome back, Glam Guide family, let's get started. First ingredient, banana. Now, why are we using bananas? Because bananas are a powerhouse of hydration. They are over 90% water, which means they deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. Bananas also contain powerful antioxidants that help reduce puffiness and inflammation. If you wake up with a puffy face, tired-looking skin, or dullness, bananas will help depuff, tighten, and refresh your skin instantly. Second ingredient, baking soda. Wait, I know what you're thinking, isn't baking soda bad for the skin? The answer is yes, if used in excess. If it's used a lot and very frequently, yes, then it can be. If used a lot and very frequently, anything in the world will be damaging for our skin, and same goes with baking soda, but here, we are using it in a very controlled, skin-friendly amount. Why we are using baking soda over here? Baking soda going to give your skin that freshness and that baby soft feeling. That's why we are using baking soda in very less quantity we are going to use here. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliator that removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and controls excess oil. That's why if you have oily or combination skin, this mask is going to be your new best friend. Also, baking soda leaves your skin feeling baby soft, fresh, and smooth. So, don't worry. We are using just the right amount to get the best benefits without any harm. Ingredient number 3. Turmeric. I don't even need to introduce this golden gem. But formality shake. Turmeric is antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. It protects, heals, and brightens your skin naturally. If you want strong, healthy, and spotless skin, turmeric is your best friend. How to make the mask. It's super easy. You'll need 1 ripe banana, 1/2 tablespoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Blend all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Transfer this magical, skin-loving pack into a clean bowl, and just like that, your ultimate glow booster is ready. From the very first use, you'll notice your skin feeling fresh, soft, and radiant. And within just 7 days, get ready to witness a stunning transformation, spotless, glowing, and flawless skin. It truly works. Give it a try and see the magic for yourself. Pre-mask prep. Before applying, wash your face and neck thoroughly with water or a cleanser. Why this is important? Because this opens up your pores, allowing all the vitamins and minerals in the mask to penetrate deeper and work their magic. How to apply. Apply the mask in upward and outward motions using your fingers or a brush. If the mask feels too thick, add a little water. If it's too thin, add more banana. According to your preference. Let it sit for 10–15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes, wet your fingers and gently massage your skin in circular motions to enhance blood circulation. Rinse off with room temperature water and pat your skin dry. Lock in the hydration with your favorite moisturizer. Results and important tips: instant glow after just one use. From the very first use, you'll notice an instant glow and a boost of hydration, leaving your skin soft and plump. Within just 7 days, this powerful remedy helps fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and control excess oil, giving you smooth, baby-soft skin. Your pores will appear more refined, and your complexion will radiate a spotless, glass-like glow. Try it and let the transformation speak for itself. If it's your first time using baking soda, do a patch test first. Apply a small amount under your wrist or on your jawline. If there's no redness or itching, you're good to go. Try this mask and come back to share your experience in the comments. Your feedback helps not just me, but everyone in our Glam Guide family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing skincare tips. See you in the next video. Until then, keep glowing and keep smiling.